Well, a very, very warm welcome to you on what is, of course, a truly special day in this part of the world. It is Derby Day, a rivalry so deeply entrenched into the history of sport in this land. It divides opinions, it divides families, it divides just about anything that can be divided. The game itself lasts just 90 minutes, but its repercussions can be felt for months and years ahead. The Emirates awash with red and white, a sea of Arsenal, just as you would anticipate. Well, they call this a friendly, but the crowd clearly doesn't think so. And no, in actual fact, the way.
Well, I'm sitting here, Peter, thinking, is it possible for these two to meet under friendly circumstances? This exhibition match is likely to exhibit the same old rivalry. To me, it also has the same feel to it. And I'm pretty sure we can look forward to what will be a combative, high-intensity affair. We can't really say anything negative about this, and if it is full-on, then I'll be happy to watch that.
Things have got underway here pretty promptly. Who do you think this turns on, Jim?
Yeah, Bernd Leno. I think his presence might make all the difference for this team. He's got lightning-fast reactions and a coolness under pressure that allows him to make the big one-on-one saves. He's also very reliable under the high ball or when he's dealing with crosses, and I'd expect the whole defence to play with a bit more assurance with him in place.
Shoots! Oh, that's a fine save!
Ceballos sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
Hector Bellerin switches it towards the other side. It's Aubameyang. Oh, real danger here. Aubameyang goes for goal. Could move up a gear here. Forward it goes. Chance! It's in! He does it all with an air of efficiency and simplicity.
Yeah, he just calmly faced the keeper and waited. It became a who blinks first situation. And for me, there was never any doubt as to who was going to come out on top.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on.
Bellerin. Lovely feet. Has a pop! Oh, that is very close.
Ah, that's a great effort. There was very little backlift to indicate what was coming.
It's Aubameyang. That intervention was very necessary.
Just to point out, Peter, that the fullbacks are quite high.
And what do they try to achieve?
Well, it's obviously a move to push the opposition wide men back and give them more to think about.
Ziyech. It's found its way to him. Played out to the right. And it's Lacazette. It's a fabulous position. And that's been levered clear. Ziyech. And Ziyech! Away from immediate danger. And it's Jorginho. He's tried one! Oh, didn't catch it right. Oh, given away. Ziyech! It's in! A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe. An act of charity gratefully received. So that's two now without reply.
Well, with this kind of authority, Peter, why not push on and totally kill this off?
It's come loose. Surely. He gets past his man. He's gone for it. It's broken loose.
Oh, it's die-hard defence and the willingness to put his body on the line. Very impressive.
And the shot! Just sails past the upright.
Ceballos nearly produced a moment of magic. He knew the strike was pure.
That's Piliqueta. Has a pop! Oh, that is rather wayward.
All he'll be thinking is, please, ground, swallow me up.
That's not going to make it. It's Aubameyang. Aubameyang. Ceballos gets on the end of it. Ziyech. He spotted the run and played him through. Gets away from his opponents. Big chance! Hits off target and by quite a way.
Werner looked very impressive there. Well, at least
And that is going to be the final action of the first half. Reflections on the first half?
well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
We're promptly into the second 45 minutes.
Well, this half might require them to produce a plan A, B and C. Levelling the score is easier said than done.
Has a hit! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Well, that's why we all say indecision is fatal.
Granit Xhaka. Partey. Cedric Suarez. Ceballos. Shapes to shoot! Too close for comfort. Right through the middle, timely intervention. Partey. That has put a stop to that. He's got away.
Well, it seems as if he's just had a momentary lapse and slipped into tunnel vision, because he had good options around him and he failed to get his head up.
Ziyech. Werner. He's away! Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Looking to pull clear here. Both sides then taking this chance to turn to their benches. It's going to be a double change then. Ziyech! There will be a throw-in.
They're actually not getting too tight, which is interesting.
No.
It's probably cautionary. Don't dive in, try to pinch it or intercept so nobody can get in behind.
Partey does well there, alert. Real chance! That has certainly tested the keeper.
Oh, that's a sparkling save, absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
The referee's awarded a free kick. And it's Willian. Hector Bellerin. Can he get the shot away? Going for goal! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
Aubameyang certainly could have and should have made more of that. That will annoy the manager. They're making themselves too predictable here.
Ceballos really struggling to influence the game.
He needs a minder, and one of his teammates should be picking up on that, and quickly.
That's a decent ball. With Ziyech. Decent looking ball. And once more they can't get through. Now it's Willian. That's been intercepted, and that will... He's had a shot! That's a real chance missed.
Yeah, this is part of the job. Head down and keep plugging away.
For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Ball through needs to be good here. He could have been in, just needed a better final ball.
Chelsea just had to make the ball stick, but came up short.
Arsenal to retain the ball, but are seemingly in no rush to break forward. Giroud. Granit Xhaka. Aubameyang. He's made sure that that won't get through. And it's Giroud. He's got options out wide. Ziyech. In for a hefty challenge. Luis very firm in standing his ground there. It is a tough, full contact contest. Bellerin. Loose ball, who's going to get that? Hector Bellerin. Hector Bellerin. He's had a goal! Added time is up, and there goes the whistle. Arsenal puffed and puffed, but in the end, no joy. That's the game. The result is what matters, and this result is cruel. So there it is. What struck you most about that?
Yeah, and we know that derbies can often make